I'm eating a scorpion right now. What? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new vlog. I'm here in a sketchy little alley in Bangkok. I'm just kidding, it's not that sketchy. But I'm staying at this hostel right here. It's called Mana Hostel, and it's really nice. I've actually stayed here before with Misha. I don't think we included it in a vlog. I think we actually were walking down this alley in a vlog the day I tried to get a new microphone and all that stuff. But figured I'd show you around. Not many exciting things happening for me, just a normal day. Got a dog licking at my ankles over here. Hey. I was just editing some video. Right now I'm finishing up episode 4 of Welcome to Myanmar. And by now, if you're watching this, obviously it's already posted. So go watch it if you haven't already. But if you have, thanks for watching. What's going on today? So I've been editing video in the little common area right over here for a few hours. And it's almost noon and I haven't eaten anything all day, and this dog is jumping on me again. So I'm gonna go get some food. I'll bring you guys with me. There's a cool spot over here. It's a Tesco Lotus shopping. It's like a supermarket, but outside the supermarket it's like a little mini mall, and then up top there's food court, and I like how they do the food courts here. I'll show you that in a sec, but let's go check out this hostel. So come in, got a little chill couch area right here. Nice table, doing some work, getting some editing done. Me and Patty right at the end of the video. My room's on the 2nd floor. Let's go check it out. If you've seen the previous videos that I've been making, I was staying in some fancy resorts, but not today. But it's still a nice hostel. Boom, boom. There's my bed. There's my new friend David, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Where are you from?
Oh,
sorry.
Yeah.
Where have you lived? Is the
Taiwan, Ireland, and Korea.
Boom. Taiwan, Ireland, and Korea. Let me just close this door. He's been all over. Just met him a few seconds ago. I haven't met these girls yet, but you look very nice.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
China.
China. Cool. And how long are you here for?
About 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah.
In just Bangkok? Or just...
My friend lives in Bangkok. I go for Khao San Road.
Oh, beautiful. Cool. Alright, we're off to get some food. We'll see you there. Okay, we're here. So, along this whole wall over here, which I'll show you in a sec, is where all the food is. But you can't just go get food and pay for it. First you gotta come here. Cool. So I just gave that lady 100 baht, and now I have 100 baht worth of money on this card, which I can go redeem for food. 100 baht is like $3, but whatever you don't spend, you can come back here and they'll give you your money back. Convenient, I guess, for the people who don't have to handle cash. Now, let's go pick out what we want to eat. Looks good. Number 2, please.
Number 2, please.
Alright, I got some chicken and rice. It comes with some soup too. What'd you get?
Noodle fried pork.
Nice. He got some noodles and fried pork. I'm about to dig in and eat this up. So that food was tasty. David was hanging around the mall for a little bit longer so he can go shopping. I think he needs to get some sandals or something. But I'm heading back to the hostel real quick. But I think I'm gonna meet up with a new friend I made yesterday. Ready for this story? So I was on the train yesterday on the BTS, which is like the subway here, the above ground subway. It was in the evening and it was crowded. There's a bunch of people on the subway. So this one particular stop, doors opened, people got off, and then people coming on. There's this one beautiful girl. She walked right in. We locked eyes. It was such a romantic moment. We kept looking at each other, making eye contact. It was one of those movie moments, you know, where it's like, ooh, butterflies in my stomach, this girl's so pretty, she's looking at me, oh. She was reading her little book, she was just so cute looking. And then I was thinking to myself, if this girl gets off at the same stop I get off, I have to talk to her, I have to say something. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but I have to just introduce myself. So of course, it's my stop, I'm about to get off, doors open, she walks out, and she doesn't even look back. She just kind of walks really fast. She walks away, down the stairs, around the corner. Eventually, I catch up to her, not really trying to follow her or anything. I'm not creeping out, but we're going in the same direction. I just kind of caught up to her, and then she turns around in slow motion. Slow motion for me. And then I'm standing right there, so she's looking up at me, and I just say, hey. I think I asked her what she was reading or whatever, and then we just start talking. Turns out she was really nice. Not only was she beautiful, but she had a beautiful personality as well. We talked for a few minutes. She was going one way, I was going the other, and I got her contact information. Your boys got it. We were talking, we've been messaging all last night and today, and now I think I'm gonna go meet up with her, and I'm really excited. Hopefully. She said she was up late last night, she didn't get much sleep, she was trying to sleep today, blah blah blah. But I think I convinced her to come hang out with me. So we might meet her soon. I gotta check on that. Let me go get some Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, just confirmed. Your boy's got a date. Going to meet her now. Let's go. Alright, this is where we met yesterday. Oh, so romantic. This is Dai. Am I saying that? Dai. Cool. And what are we doing today?
We will go to a market, take a boat.
Market and take a boat. We're taking a taxi somewhere.
Or maybe we will go back to BTS.
What happened?
They are closing. อ๋อก็ไม่มีเรือใช่ไหมคะ
มี2 ที่
So maybe we go back to train. Because they're close.
So just a tip for anyone. For anyone who's interested in coming to the floating markets here in Bangkok, which are very popular, you probably see them on Instagram and stuff like that. Maybe some blog posts on the internet. They're beautiful, they're really nice. Well, apparently they're only open on the weekends. And today is Monday. Monday is not a weekend.
Yeah, it's not weekend.
Yeah, no, it's not a weekend. So the floating markets are not open today. So we came all the way here on the opposite side of Bangkok.
It's a bit so far.
It's alright. It's part of the adventure, right?
Yeah.
พวกนี้ก็จะมีเรือเที่ยวเนี่ย
Alright, now it's my turn to be the tour guide. I'm taking over. Where she wants to go, it's called what is it?
Asiatic.
Asiatic. Still don't know what that is, but we'll find out later. But for now, we're gonna go to Khao San Road because I know where that is.
Yay.
And we're gonna take the orange flag boat there. So if you're interested in hopping on a boat and going down to Khao San Road, you can take the BTS to, what was the name of this stop?
สะพานตักสิน station สะพานตักสิน
Sapan Taksin.
Sapan.
There's a little photo of a river, so that's what you can just look at. And then you get on the orange flag boat and take it all the way down the river. And that's what we're doing now. Alright, so we have a plan. Since the floating market wasn't available, we're gonna steal this boat and we're gonna make our own floating market because we're on the river. So you go first, I'll follow you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, we made it. We almost missed our stop. We realized at the last second that this is where we have to get off. But we're here. Alright, welcome to Khao San Road. It's a very popular place for many backpackers, party people, lady boys, whatever your fancy is. Big nightlife scene here. Right now it's kind of calm because everyone's hungover from the night before probably. At night this place gets crazy. There's a lot of bars, a lot of cheap alcohol, a lot of tourist things, a lot of shops selling random things that appeal to tourists, a lot of massage parlors, like this lady right here trying to sell some massages to those guys. See? A lot of tuk-tuk drivers trying to sell you a ride around town. What else is very popular around here?
Maybe eat pad thai.
Eat pad thai. Yeah, very popular pad thai. We're gonna go get some pad thai. Very common dish. If you've never heard of it, now you have. One of the most common tourist food items to eat. A bunch of ladies like this selling random things that you don't need, but scared you? Being here reminds me of when I was here, when I first arrived in Thailand with Misha and we came here for Songkran. It's a much different vibe. Basically Songkran, if you've never heard of it, is the Thai New Year and they celebrate with a big water fight throughout the whole country. And we came here on the second day because it's a 3-day festival and it was crazy. Now we're gonna try to find some pad thai.
Yeah, pad
All
thai.
right, let's get some pad thai.
Over there.
Pad
At the
thai.
corner.
Yeah. So it was her idea to get pad thai, but she ended up changing her mind last minute and got some fried rice.
Because it looks nicer.
Yeah. Mine's bigger than yours. Woo.
Holy.
Got some scorpions. It's all right, cup.
Oh! Wait, this is... Okay.
Okay. She wanted 150 baht. I told her 50. She said okay. So they got some scorpions over here, and I've seen this all over Thailand. I've never had one. It's my last few days here in Thailand, so. Oh man, that's it right there. Smells lovely. All right, we're going for it. I don't even know what to bite first, but we're just gonna. Crunchy. Very salty. It's weird. I'm eating a scorpion right now. What? It tastes like a very salty piece of shitty chicken. Alright, we're going for the head right now. Oh. It's not bad. It's very salty. There's really nothing inside. Oh, not really that good. Not really that tasty, but it's just one of those things. Leaving Khao San Road, back over here, gonna catch another boat, another orange flag boat, back to where we came from before, and then we'll go to where she recommends going, which I keep forgetting the name of, but I'll remind you in a second. Teak, Asian teak, Asian teak. I'm gonna forget it again. Well, we were gonna go to Asia Teak, but Princess over here is too tired. She stayed up way late last night watching Game of Thrones. So we're gonna try to go tomorrow. My flight is actually tomorrow night, but it's not till midnight. So maybe we can come back here tomorrow evening. Yeah. 5, yeah, we'll come back here tomorrow evening. I hope you enjoyed exploring with us today. Obviously, this lovely tour guide didn't do such a great job, so I took over. But we're about to get on the BTS, head back, call it a night, so we're gonna end the vlog here. See you guys in the next one.
Bye bye.
Peace.